You know, it gets better and better every day with Fani. Just when I think, okay, that's it. We've pretty much we've done it. We've handled the last case. Not even close. Not even close. Well, the latest. This kills me. The Fulton County Board of Ethics. Let's say that again. The Fulton County Board of Ethics has apparently declined to review 2 complaints against Fani Wilson. Well, I keep saying Wilson. Fani Willis. Just before a scheduled meeting for their consideration yesterday. Right before they said, you know what? Listen to this. The board chose apparently not to review the particular complaints that were advanced against her because it determined that, get this, it lacks jurisdiction to enforce. Let me say this again. It determined at the last minute that it lacks a jurisdiction to enforce the code of ethics against Fani because she is a state constitutional officer. The meeting agenda, as indicated, listed 2 complaints they were going to deal with against Fani, but was later amended in essence to eliminate from consideration those cases. Quote, you're going to love this, quote, the Fulton County Code of Ethics only applies to county officers and employees. This is what a member of the board had stated. According to, I guess, a video of some sort that was posted by an Atlanta News First reporter by the name of Doug Reardon. And the quote again is, the Fulton County Code of Ethics only applies to county officers and employees. The Fulton County District Attorney does not fall within the definition of a county officer. Now, it is unclear at this particular point, or to anybody with 2 working neurons, whether the meeting was canceled entirely. Who knows? Now, a fellow by the name of Greg Mantell, who apparently operates a Substack blog called Investigative News Service, filed apparently a complaint due to, quote, the DA's illegal refusal to release certain financial records, including Nathan Wade's invoices under Georgia's public records law. It's very interesting. Now, as you know, defense attorney superstar Ashley Merchant, future legal media star, who filed the motion to disqualify Fani on behalf of Mr. Roman, her client in January, testified this week on how she had uncovered that the DA's interesting relationship and love interest with Mr. Wade at a hearing, how it developed. Now, what was so interesting, the Georgia Senate Special Committee on Investigations, the Committee on Investigations, held its first meeting February the 9th to, according to what was stated, to thoroughly investigate, this is a quote, to thoroughly investigate the allegations of misconduct by the District Attorney for Fulton County, Fani Willis, relating to potential conflicts of interest and misuse of public funds, to enact new or amend existing laws and or change state appropriations to restore public confidence in the criminal justice system. Judge Scott McAfee, the, dare I say, Latter-day version of Judge Ito, said after closing arguments on the motion to disqualify, said that he intends to issue a ruling within 2 weeks. Okay. Now, as you know, Fani failed to reveal, failed to disclose, failed to make obvious or to make evident plane tickets paid for by Mr. Wade, along with any and other purchases he made on her behalf. On her, I believe it was the 2022 financial disclosure forms and the like, which requires disclosing any gift or favor from, quote, a prohibited source exceeding $100. The state ethics code specifically references its application to district attorneys. Let me say this again. According, the board said in a statement, the state ethics code specifically references its application to district attorneys. Accordingly, any ethics complaint against the district attorney of any county would be under the exclusive jurisdiction of the state ethics committee. So, what do we have right now? Nothing. Gobbledygook, perhaps. Gibberish, perhaps. Nonsense, legalistic stuff, perhaps. The point is that they are circling the water. The sharks are circling the water. They want Fani. They want Fani to explain what she's doing. They want Fani to explicate and to limit the levels of her activity. And even though this particular Fulton County district, within the purview of their jurisdiction, may not include constitutional officers, something tells me we have not heard the end of this at all. Hang on, dear friends. There's so much more coming. And thank you. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for being a part of this. Please subscribe to the channel. Please hit that little bell so you're notified of live streams and new videos. Please, please, I ask, I beseech, I entreat you. I ask that you do that. And also, I ask that you, in your inimitable way, comment as you see fit.